Hey guys, good morning everyone. So this is my project, RF launcher, and right now I already finished developing the converter. This is the um, Nexus Pro INI converter. So once you made the new file, like for example, you have edited the any file, which is your um, server files. I mean the settings on your server, like for example the IP port. I mean the IP address and then the port address. So once you finish editing all the things in the ini file, you can go ahead and convert it to the bin file. So let us delete this one so that you can see the Nexus Pro INI converter will convert the Nexus Pro launcher that INI into that bin. Let's check. There you go. There's the .bin file already. And then what we're gonna do is that we're going to copy this one, put it on the system launcher, Nexus Pro launcher, and put it here. Since that I have the bin already, I'm gonna replace it. And then after that, let's double check if it's working. So I have my sump here set up already, and I have the files, the updated or the test file on the htdocs already, so that the launcher will recognize the files that you want to update and put it on the same directory as the launcher residing. So let me go ahead and open this launcher. So as you can see, it is scanning right now all the possible update that the launcher will be update. So there you go. It's already downloading now. So what if I want to change the patch lag? So if I want to change the patch lag, I'm gonna go ahead to the system, launcher, Nexus Pro INI, and then patch lag INI. Alright, so as you can see, it is synchronized. So I'm gonna change it like I wanted this one to only 2 patch 2. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to change this to update 1 and then update 2, so that we can see the changes. Okay, so let's go ahead and relaunch the launcher. I'm sorry. So we're gonna relaunch the launcher. Okay, so we're going to relaunch the launcher so that we can see the changes that we made on the patch lag INI. Okay, this is it. There you go. As we change the patch lag INI, it will already appear here on the update or the update logs. So that's how you change the patch lag INI so that it will appear on the notification under the update logs. Okay, so since that we already tackled the much like that, Ini, let's go ahead and tackle the other settings that we can change. Alright, so there you go. So the first one, I intend actually to make a tutorial on the Ini files, so that whenever you want to edit something, there is a configuration instruction, so that you will not be confused. And there you go. You can change the register URL or the button. This is the let me check. Launcher. You can see, as you can see, this is the register button. Once I click it, it's going to example.com register slash register, since that we have put it here on the register URL. Alright, so you have to change it on your own registered browser. Also the website, Facebook page, and the Discord invite. Right, and for the settings, this is the version that you can see on the display. Like for example, I'm gonna click it, so you're gonna see the last updated dates. So for the optional, you can add the theme, log in or window mode full screen, something like that. So for the updater, you can actually edit the update location. Like for example, for me, I'm using the SAMP. So let me go ahead and check on the SAMP, on the C SAMP htdocs, and then this is the auto update folder, which I put the test update, the test update here. The test folder that we can see here on the same directory as the Nexus Pro launcher. Alright, so I'm gonna delete this one, and then as you can see, this is the SAMP. This is where I put the test folder. So let me go ahead and add a document, so that you can imagine how it is working. Test text, something like that, and then I'm gonna put it here, test 1. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to run this one, so that we can see the changes. Okay, there we go. So it is scanning right now. There you go, and it is downloading. So once it is all updated, you can see the text file here, and the same directory as the Nexus Pro RF launcher. Let us wait for the all the files to be updated. For the meanwhile, let's go ahead for the other settings here. As you can see, for the next one, for the connection, this is the main connection that you will put on your launcher. Like for example, if you have a BPS, okay, if you have a BPS or dedicated server, you can put the IP address of your BPS or dedicated server here. Alright, and the port, this is the port. Alright, now there is actually a instruction here that you can see. So it is actually reliable. Then for the next one, image slider. So this one has image slider. Okay, so you can check it here on the image folder or the launcher image. Here, system, launcher, and then launcher images. There you go. So what if I want to add more except for the 3? Yes, you can. All you need to do is to copy this one. Example. Oops. Okay. Copy. Put it here. Then all you need to do is to edit this to make it look like it's good, right? Then I'm going to rename, then put it here, including the extension, okay? And then rename, alright, there you go. I'm gonna save it. Once I save it, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to run again the Nexus Pro converter. Okay, alright, so since that I already ran it, I'm going to copy this bin into here, replace. Now let's go ahead and check the launcher if it's working. Alright, let's wait for the image to slide the 6 files. Alright, there you go. We already edited it. So alright, the next thing that we're gonna do is the server info. Okay, for the server info, once you click the login button, this is what you're gonna see. So this one, when you click it, it will direct you into the game itself. So we can actually edit this one to, for example, sample server. Alright, and then the status is online. And if I want to disable the server, so just put false instead of true. Just like for example this one, it was disabled because I put false on the server name 2 enabled. That's it. So we will save this one so that we can see the sample server on the here. So let's close. Let's close first. Go back to login. Then close. Then we're gonna run again. And then we're gonna copy, put it here, then run the launcher. Then once we once we run the launcher, let's click the login button. There you go, and it is the same. Okay, so let's just okay. Then the next one is the music. The music actually is automatically launched. Like for example, this one already has a music because I put it here in the system. System launcher, Nexus Pro launcher, and then launcher music. I put it here already. So once the music was already in here, it will automatically recognize it here on the Nexus Pro launcher that ini or that bin. Alright, now let's go with the background. We can actually change the background if we want. Like for example, this one, we have two options here. Right now, as you can see, there we use the background one .png. So what if I'm going to use the background only, not the background one? So I'm gonna select this one, save. The same, just run the converter, then copy, put it on the bag, or I mean the here, overwrite, and then we're gonna run it. There you go, the background is changed, right? Next one, the background is changed. So let's go ahead and the next one, for the title, logo, and for the icon. All right, the first one is this title logo. So the title logo, we can see it here on here. This is the title logo. So we can actually change this one by changing it here on the icon. Like for example, all right, for example, I wanted to hold on. So like for example, I wanted to change it. Right, hold on. So logo. So what if I'm going to change this logo into another logo? So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to copy the other, like for example, this is only for example. Okay, I'm gonna copy this one, put it on the logo folder, and then I'm going to rename. Oh, sorry, rename, not edit. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to put it here on okay. So it is actually, I forgot that it is actually auto detected. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to delete this one. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one, and then I'm going to relaunch the launcher. So let's relaunch. So as you can see, we cannot see the logo anymore, but it is actually edited already, but um, like for example, we gonna, oh, okay. Mm-hmm. So for this one, for the logo, you can actually change the name. Like for example, the same name as the Nexus Pro logo.png. Okay, so let's rename Nexus Pro logo. Yeah, there you go. And then we're gonna relaunch if it's good. There you go. So we're gonna rename. Alright, we're gonna rename this one into the Nexus Pro. I'm sorry, I really forgot that one. So since that we already tested, we're going to just restore. Okay, and then we're gonna check it again. There you go. So that's it. That's how you change the logo. Okay, and next one. Next one is the icon. This is very simple. All you gotta do is to change the name if you have another name. Okay. Example, I'm going to go ahead on the icon, and then I'm gonna change the name here and put it here. Okay. Then save, and then I'm going to run again the converter. Press again, copy, put it here. And then I'm gonna run again. Alright, there you go. Alright, okay, hold on. So it must be saved, and then must be saved, and then the icon path must be seen here. So let's hold on. Launcher icon, and then Nexus Pro icon. Let's convert it again. Oops. There you go. It's already changed. The icon was already changed. And for this one, for the launcher image or the launcher default icon, you can actually message me and we can change it once you avail the service. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye for now.